That sounds delicious.
I hope it has
Pink icing. That sounds wonderful. Thanks, Alice. Enjoy your day. I've got a bad feeling about this. Oh no, my stomach. Oh, this is horrible. Why did I do this? Let's spin it that way. Oh, spin it that way. Oh, it's hard to spin it. I'm gonna spin it the other way. The opposite way. Oh, this is a horrible idea. Why did I do this? Oh no. So cool. I'm on the teacups. Woo!
It looks like our tea party is coming to an end.
We survived. Oh, that's so awesome.
Until your teacup stops,
I don't think I'll do that again. That was a bad idea. And wow, what a fun one. So I'm LJ with today's adventure stop. Thanks for joining me. Be sure to click subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye everyone.